What's up, guys? Welcome back to another show, or welcome back to another vlog. It's been I'm like taking the vlog, and that girl right there, she's like just looking at me like with a weird face, like, duh, what are you doing? But I'm taking a vlog right now, so I'm gonna take the kids. We're gonna head to the church right now because we're gonna help out with the container. For a good cause, we're getting some, we're sending off a container for a donation to Chuuk for our church and all the people at the hospital. So it's a good thing. So we'll see you guys in a little bit. Yeah. So yeah, see you guys later.
School.
What was it about?
It was about this Greg that went to his first day of school, yeah, and he wanted to be a cool kid in school, but then he tried to act cool and no one liked him. You should check that book out. It's called Diary of the Wimpy Kid.
Diary of what?
The Wimpy Kid.
What about you, Austin?
Mine is about these two little people going to the doctors. Doctors.
Yeah. What's the book called?
Check up.
So where are we heading now?
We're heading down to the church.
We're going to the church?
Yeah. To the container.
Oh, it's so.
What are we doing at the church again?
We're gonna give things. We're gonna give things to the people in the hospital back in Micronesia, where we're from, and yeah.
Is it for the church? What's in the container that you guys?
Oh, I think like things from the hospital, and food, clothes, shoes, slippers, yeah.
Slippers and shoes, used shoes and slippers.
Yeah, and hats. That is mine. That's going bye-bye.
Is it good to help other people?
Yes.
Is that what we're doing?
Yes.
And it's not just us, right? It's the whole church, right?
Uh-huh.
Everybody at church, from church.
Yeah.
So they're sending off things to help out the church.
I never seen inside the container.
Back in Chuuk, and also the hospital, and especially for the people that need help. Nice. All right, guys. So that's where we're headed right now. We're about to go and help out at the church. We'll be loading up to the container that's going off to Micronesia, to Chuuk, to help out our fellow citizens of Chuuk, our family back home, especially those people who have needs, and people that are at the hospital. So it's basically all donations and food, clothing, and so it's for a good cause. And that it's part of the church ministry. It's part of our ministry to reach out to other people that need help. So we're very blessed. Keep in mind, it's not just us. Everybody from our church here in Washington. Don't get it too close, dude. It's not. Anyway, guys, sorry it's been a while. We apologize. We just have been very busy with school and work and all this things going on at our church. So we haven't been able to upload as much as we can, but yeah, we're back again with another video, just a regular vlog. We're just gonna vlog our time together, and also the time that we're gonna spend at the church, just loading up the container. But yeah, so yeah, here's a little sightseeing or tour of our state, Washington.
For the people in micro.
And that's the famous place right there. McDonald. Yeah. And that's another famous place right there. Value Village. Value Village. Woo. But other than that, yes. Woo.
Another burger place, not right there.
And Starbucks. That's Starbucks right there.
Starbucks.
I want to go.
Starbucks right there.
I want them.
Yep.
Frappuccino, you know.
Oh, it's getting dark in here. Alright. So we're close to... Let's see. You guys want to play casino? Right, Dragon? Casino right here.
Oh yeah.
No, casino is not good. Playing casino is not good. It's wasting your money.
Oh, down there is down there where the Ding Ting Hun restaurant is down next to it is.
It's your boy.
Boy, you're not even looking at the camera, boy.
No, dude.
Okay, guys, down there. Show him down there next to Ding Hun is Family Fun Center. And
And a gas station. So you go.
and car storage. Hyundai. Look at these cars. Is one of these cars yours? What are they building over there? When you go close to it, it's really big.
Yeah.
Yes.
Right there. All right. Okay.
Dumping.
Let's relax a little bit.
Shout out
Can
to
you
Dumping.
open the trunk?
Dumping.
Okay, we're here again. All right, so we're just waiting for everybody to. What? It's open. All right, so we're here.
I'm playing soccer.
What? What are you guys doing?
I'm gonna go play some football.
Okay.
I'm gonna play some soccer.
Okay.
Okay, this is the container that's going to Chuuk. And yeah. We got more more people helping us. Okay guys, so that's the only people that's here. Okay, see. Alright guys, I'm tired because we've been playing. And I am so tired. It's cold outside. Everybody's sweating. Huh? Okay, it's too cold outside. I need water. But they're packing stuff. Uncle Dutch is here. We're just playing soccer. Oh, someone's. They're putting the boxes. So let's go see what they're doing. Let's go see. Yeah. Let's go see what's inside the car. Okay, that's the container. That's the container. So we're gonna
I'm a sportsman.
Thing in the car.
Get it.
Oh, it's so hard. Oh. Okay, this is Uncle Chen, Uncle Tosis, and they're here to help put things in the container for Chuuk. Yeah.
Open up the card.
I can't.
Hey, bro, chill, bro. Hurry up.
Okay, see you in a little bit. Putting some more stuff in the thing.
I wanna.
Putting more stuff. And look how many stuff we have left. Well, my dad and Uncle Cam are going to get more things. Yeah, it's tiring. It's nighttime. Are you serious? Is it hard? He's shy boy. What?
I want to vlog.
This guy said, first he said, I don't know what to vlog, and now he's saying, I want to vlog. Boy, if you don't get your... Okay. Oh guys, we're finishing up on the things. We got most of the things in the... There's the things in the... And focus.
Cooler again.
And the thing.
Guys, I gotta get a bottle for
Mika.
And then we're waiting for my dad with the stuff right now, so yeah.
Hah? Go bigger. Go bigger. short girl for what's
This guy's so shy. See you in the next. Alright guys, this is the end of the vlog. We are really tired, but we got some more things to do. Let me show you. So let's get out. So there's we're finishing up and it's really late. And we got some
Past their bedtime.
and we're really tired, so we're gonna just end this here. And stay tuned for the next video, because it's gonna be an awesome one. It's gonna be a challenge, yeah. Okay, don't forget to like and subscribe, share this video, and turn on your bell and turn on your post notification bell so you can get notified every time we upload. See you in the next video. Peace.